Teus will be discarded. Teardrop, 2 points. Christian. Foul. Janden, pass to Christian. Ilang, sub-rep. Kyrie takes the 3. Supply boy. Paul sa 2 points. Grabe yun. Sabay ngiti. Chris, 2 points. Janden. Paso Niman. Paso Botong. Meron kay Jan. Kay Niman. Meron kay Sander. Wala. Nakuha ni Jan. Ito meron ng 3. Supply. To shoot. Pass 7, pass 1. 8 takes a 3. Wala, rebound 3. Martin, pinasa sa kakamper. Zone 2A versus Zone 3B. Jack strikes to the basket. Grabe yun, ang ganda ba? Ayun lang. Wala tayong defensive number. Si coach. Number 11. Janden. 5 minutes and 9 seconds. Jones. Pass to number 7. Takes a shot. No good. Rebound by Martin. Pass Janden to meron ng cross. 2 points. Finish down na number 9. Grabe, 2 points. Ayun lang, walang defensive na naman. 2 points. 15 to shoot. Putin. 15 to shoot. Number 8 takes the 3. Liman. Tumatakbo. Zone 9. Outspeaker. Jumps pass 2. Number 11 takes the 3. Off. Yun na yung bottom. Nakuha ng kabila. Jumps. Dives to the basket. 2 points. Martin. Ayun lang. Number 3. Pass to number 2. 2 points by number. Niwan. Yoma. Number 1, take to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points. Go. Number 3. Tingnan ba? 15 to shoot. Tama na, boy. Nakuha niya pa rin 2 points. Ano? Nakuha niya kayo. Pinasa kay Teus. Oh! Oh! 15 to shoot. Oh! Oh! Two. Oy! Wala. Di ba may chance? Wala pa rin ako. Nakuha pa rin na. Nagkakatabinan. Ay nabubuha ng zone po. Ng zone 6. Wala. 2 points. Zero tres. 3 points by Gross. Number 7. Ayun lang.
Takbo na kita.
Number Sablay. Nakuha niya number 14. Naagaw lang ang kabila. Aray mo. Kunin mo. Second row. Basket. Tatlo ka. Next game. Song 2A versus Song Teus. Aray mo. Pasok. Pas. Ayan na. Sa Blake Volleyball Teams.